bit of outside render work that's been done to match up with the texture that was there. Over there. There's John relaxed now after his work. It's been done up here, that crack too, along the top. Around there. Where's that spatter box? Now there, I'll go and have a look at that. That's what John used to put that texture on. This is a box here. You wind the handle and it throws the cement out, the reinforcement wire, and some of it was put in that crack up there to reinforce that. That's quite a sort of good, nice texture I had to match up with. Not a light texture really. Let's go back to that spatter box. You don't see too many of these about. But you turn that handle and it throws the cement up there on the wall. The product goes in there.
And this goes over the top.
That goes over the top.
Just to bend that. Goes down.
Alright.
Sort of,
it's just to match up with texture.
And that just.
And you wind the handle and it shoots on the wall, is it?
Shoots up and out over onto the
wall. Splatters on the wall. What's it called? There's a broken bolster. John's never had that before that. And just snapped. Very unusual.